Die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my gorgeous mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing and sharing my thoughts on Gucci Guilty Eau De Parfum. So before that though, I will be talking about my fragrance of the day, and I'll be letting you guys know that if you want to enter my sample giveaway, you've got to be subscribed to the channel, you've got to be from Australia, and you've got to leave a comment saying you're entering the sample giveaway on yesterday's video or today's video. I'll be totaling up all of the entries and doing a YouTube live, and I'll be pulling the name out of a hat, and if you're the lucky winner, I'll get in touch with you, and yeah, I'll send you out some samples. So if you want to enter, just do so, because I'll be doing that in a few days time. Anyway, fragrance of the day is Gucci Guilty Black. This is what I originally thought was a super boring fragrance, but it's actually pretty bloody nice, and it's exceptional for compliments. I mean, look, I wear a lot of fragrances that get me a lot of compliments, but Gucci Guilty Black, there is nothing that gets me compliments like Gucci Guilty Black. It's just one of those scents that seems to click maybe with my style, maybe, you know, with the way I carry myself. I don't know what it is, and it's obviously part of the fragrance as well. It just gets me more compliments than any other fragrance that I wear, except maybe Calvin Klein Defy Eau De Parfum. But yeah, the only problem with this is I lent it to my sister, and I think she damaged the original atomizer, so I had to replace it with something from an empty bottle, and it's not quite as good as it should be. I mean, I'm already wearing it. Very weak, but still gets the job done. But the fragrance itself, it's aromatic. It's got this really beautiful lavender note, and it also has patchouli as well. So there is a dark sort of edge and twist to it at the end there. If you haven't smelt Gucci Guilty Black, please go out and try it, because it is one of those fragrances that if you want something that may be a little more on the mass appealing side, but it will get you compliments. Man, oh man, will this get you compliments. Back to Gucci Guilty Eau De Parfum Pour Homme. This fragrance cost me $140 at Chemist Warehouse, down from $175 or $180, I can't remember. I'm pretty sure it was down from $175 Australian. And I just wanted to quickly point out that the presentation here, clean, minimalist, dark, very classic, very classy. Love the presentation for this one, even if it is a little on the, you know, basic side of things. It's the bottle that really just stands out to me though. Gucci Guilty Eau De Parfum. It's matte black, dark steel accents. It's just a really classy aesthetic. And you can see that they've used the same bottle design. The thing I love most about Gucci Guilty Eau De Parfum is that masculine rose note. And it's sort of like one of those things where I hesitate to call it a masculine rose note. It's more of a dirty rose note. Like, I can't think of too many rose-based fragrances that have a dirty rose note, but think of like a really dark rose, and then you've got a good idea of what this sort of smells like. That rose is front and center, it's sweet, it's in your face, and it does come across a little feminine. Now, try this one on your skin, on the back side of your hand, in the crook of your elbow, one of those areas, because on a tester strip, this doesn't smell like much of anything. These Gucci fragrances do smell better on skin in my experience, so make sure you're trying it on your skin. Yeah, that rose is front and center. It's almost feminine, but after 10 minutes or so on your skin, it really does develop, and it mingles with that cedar in the background and the patchouli, and it becomes even dirtier still, even darker still. After a while, it does become more masculine, so if you're a little hesitant on wearing something with such a prominent rose note, look, I understand it, but I really think you should be trying these things out. You should be giving them a chance, but if it isn't for you, it isn't for you. For me though, I love the rose note here. I love my florals. I can't get enough of them. So when a really mainstream brand like Gucci releases something with such a prominent rose note, it gets your attention real quick, because between the super prominent rose note with Gucci Guilty Eau De Parfum and then that like dark decaying leather note of Gucci Guilty Absolute, my opinion on the Gucci fragrances is really turning around. Like, between Gucci Guilty Eau De Parfum and Absolute, those are, you know, slowly becoming some of my favorite fragrances, and I've only had this for a day at $140 Australian. I know this is going to be out of a lot of people's price range, but I still would recommend trying a sample bottle of this out and just giving that rose note a chance, because it is an exceptional rose portrayal here. I really love the way this one smells, and I've got a feeling that once it oxidizes a little bit, once it sits for a bit, it's going to get even better, even more potent. So I sprayed this first on my hand many hours ago. That rose note has developed further, it's become darker, more masculine, and it's developed a slight powderiness as well. Anyways, if you've ever tried Gucci Guilty Eau De Parfum before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say, and until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.